Hey y'all, it's Rosangela. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the Play by Sephora monthly subscription box. So this is a beauty box that you can get every month. Okay, so Sephora's monthly box costs about 10 bucks and you get exclusive sampler size products of anything that you could buy at Sephora, and it comes in a box like this. The only thing I don't like about this box is that it's too big. My apartment complex had to put it in like this special sort of like mailbox where I had to get an extra key and open it just because the box is too big to fit inside a regular mailbox. So I wish they would come in like BoxyCharm size boxes or something. That was the only complaint that I had. But yeah, you can sign up for the subscription through their website. You can cancel it at any time. And you can start it back up. Like I said, it's about 10 bucks. And let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. Okay, so here's the inside of our box. As you can see in the lid, it says show off and share using Sephora Play. And then the first thing we see in here is the 50 Beauty Insider Points. So one of the good things about this subscription box is that for every box that you get every month, you also get 50 extra Beauty Insider Points that you can use within that month only. And so these are the 50 extra free points that I get to use at any Sephora, whether online or at the store, just for the month of April. And then this one comes with like this mini poster that says, let's play Sephora Bingo. And so it's got all these cute like little things like lipstick marks on every glass, won't let a shade go unswatched, have more palettes than matching socks. And so just basically it's a little fun mini poster that comes with the 50 Beauty Insider Points. And then on the back, you'll be able to see this month's cosmetics, health, and beauty products. So the products inside the box actually come in a plastic package, so this keeps them safe when they're being mailed out. So like I said, I wish they would make this package either smaller or just send it in like a bubble mailer, because it would be so much easier to deliver, especially for people that don't have direct access to their mailbox. But yeah, so we have this. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So the first sampler for this month is from IT Cosmetics, and this is called Brow Power, and it's the Universal Brow Pencil, and it comes in the color Universal Taupe. It says it's the #1 best-selling Universal Brow Pencil. It's made to look like real hair, it's budge-proof, and it's smudge-proof. And so let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. See at the product. So here's the product. Really nice packaging. It's like this titanium sort of heavier metal product, and let's see inside. Okay, so it's like one of those angled sticks, and as you can see, I don't know if that you can see that really well, but it's really fine. It produces like a really small lined and angled shade right there, and so it really actually does look like real hair, like tiny strands. So I like that about it. Ooh, let's open up on the other side, and on the other side we have a spoolie so you can brush through your eyebrows. The second product is the sampler size of shampoo and conditioner. It's a pretty big size. I feel like this is enough to do 1 or 2 washes. It's from the brand called Sacha Huan from Stockholm. And so we have the moisturizing shampoo and the moisturizing conditioner. So you get those 2 really thick sample sizes. And then next we have one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara. It says bigger, blacker, badder, lengthening and volumizing mascara. Let's see what else. Okay, so it just talks about the volumizer lashing primer. This is one of my favorite mascaras because it really does work. It does lengthen and it volumizes. I wouldn't say it's my number one, but it is in my top 5 mascaras that I like to use. And let me just open it so I can show you the packaging. So it's this one that comes in like the nickel metallic, darker sort of titanium metal. Then in this month's box, we get a sample size version of the brand Sephora's Triple Action Cleansing Water, and this is the matcha green tea extract. So this is basically like a makeup remover. It's something that you can use as a cleanser before you do your daily face washing routine. And I will tell you, it's a pretty good size sample. Most of the samples inside the Play by Sephora monthly subscription boxes are bigger than what you would consider a sample size. This is like an extra sample size or a big sample size. I'm not sure exactly what the correct term for it is, but yeah, definitely everything I've seen in here so far is not a mini, teeny tiny sample version. I mean, it's a pretty good size version, so you can get an idea of how the product really works. There's enough in there to try more than once, and so I really like that about this box. The next thing in my box is by Clinique. It's the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, and this is for very dry to dry combination skin. So before you actually order your subscription box, your Sephora profile online gives you a chance to take a quiz so that whatever you get in your Play by Sephora monthly subscription box is something that kind of caters more to your needs. So they'll ask you for your skin tone, they'll ask for what kind of texture your skin usually is, what kind of products you're looking for, what kind of beauty issues you tend to have. And so I feel like this is one of those products that was directly catered to me, because I distinctly remember putting that I have dry to combination skin, and it's something that I struggle with and something that I'm looking for a solution for, as far as trying out different products or getting samples of products that could possibly work for my type of skin. And the last thing that was in my box is by a brand called Volition, and this is turmeric brightening polish for your face and your body. And basically it says to gently massage onto your skin and leave for about 2 minutes, and then you rinse thoroughly, and you can use it on your face and your body once a week. And it's approved for all types of skin. So just to give you a last overview of everything that I got in my box for this month, I got 6 products in total. I got good size samples, and it was kind of things that are all across the board as far as beauty and health. So I got something for my hair, something for my face, something for my body, something for my eyes, and makeup wise. And so I'm really happy with this month's box. I really do feel that these are things that are worth my monthly $10. Of course, this is my first box, so I'm going to keep on trying it out, and every month I'll report back to you. I'll do my unboxings just so you can get an idea if this is something that you're interested in looking for. I think this is a really good subscription box for those who haven't really tried boxes before, or you're unsure about what kind of products you're going to receive, or if you're going to like them, or if it's going to be worth your time and money. Being able to spend $10 on this one box, I think, is a pretty good affordable alternative if you're looking to try something out. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more unboxings, haulings, reviews, all that sort of thing. I do have a giveaway coming up this week, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.